Alright, this is a quick video on E melodic minor scale derivatives. And we'll go ahead and start with an open position from the bass E, and that'll be 0-2-3. On the A string, that'll be 0-2-4. And on the D, that will be 1-2. Melodic minor scale, and the only thing that you're doing is changing the major third from the major scale to a minor third. And for this specific lesson we will be ascending, so all the chords that we talk about will be with only flatting the third. And with that scale, you can play an E minor chord. You can play an E minor major 7 chord. Good time to practice that walk down. Good time to practice the arpeggios. Different chord shapes. Stuff like that. Moving on, the second one we have is a Dorian flat second scale. And this will be the same position, so we'll go 0-1-3 on the E. On the A we'll go 0-2-4, and then we'll go D open, E2 on the D. And that's derived from the D melodic minor scale. Backwards, that's E, D, C sharp, B, A, G, F, E. You can also play minor chords with that. Very much like a Dorian with a flat second. That's why it's Dorian flat second. Play E minor 7. We have Lydian augmented, starting with the E again. And the first thing that I think of when I say Lydian scale is a major chord and I know that this is augmented, so I'm sharpening the 5th from a major triad. So the 5th is now sharpened to a C. So the scale will be E, F sharp, G sharp. On the A, that's A sharp, C, C sharp, and then D sharp on the D, 1, and then 2. And that's derived from the C sharp melodic minor scale, and you could play a Lydian chord with that. Play a major 7 sharp 5 with that chord. We'll go over it one more time from the E string, so it'd be 0-2-4 for the major, and on the A string that would be 1-3-4, D string 1-2. That's sharp 5th. Come up with different things. Okay, next we have another Lydian scale, which is Lydian dominant scale, which is one of the most commonly used scales from the melodic minor modes. And as again, today all these will start and end on the note E. We'll go ahead and start with a E, F sharp, G sharp, 240, A1, 2, 4, and then on the D that's open 2. It's a good time to play these altered fifth chords, dominant seventh altered chords on E7. Sound to it. After this we have a Mixolydian scale with a flat sixth. Start on the 7th fret on the A string, that'll be 7, 9, 11. Then on the D, that will be 7, 9, 10. And then on the G, that's 7, 9. Backwards, 9, 7, G, 10, 9, 7, D. Let's take it from the A melodic minor. Next we have Locrian Sharp Two. So this looks like a Locrian scale. Go ahead and play the Locrian scale really quickly. So we're going to be sharpening that second degree to an F sharp. So from the A string that's 7, 9, 10. On the D that's 7, 8, 10. On the G, that's 7, 9. Backwards, that's 9, 7, G. D, that's 10, 8, 7. That's one backwards here. G, 10, the A, 9, 7. You can play a minor 7 flat 5 chord with this. Check the camera. Okay, make sure I got the time on here. Alright, got one more minute here. We're going to cover the last one. And also the Locrian Sharp Two comes from G melodic minor. Time to practice those arpeggios, because if you do, you have most of the scale covered by knowing the arpeggios, so that really helps with the chord structure, the arpeggios, and the mode itself once you get a grasp of all of that. The line, tongue twister. Okay, last one is alter dominant, and this looks like a normal scale. All the notes being flatted. We'll start from a bottom E this time. We'll just go ahead and go 0, 1, 3, 4, 6, 10, 12. Backwards, that'll be 12, 10, 8, 6, 4. Play it fully diminished with that. Let's take it from the F melodic minor. fully diminished triad arpeggio. E, G, B flat. Might only be half diminished.